Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered why some materials are strong and some are soft or flexible? Why are bridges made of steel, airplanes made of aluminum, and bottles made of plastic? The answer is material science. Material science is the study of materials and how they work. It helps us understand how materials are made, how they behave, and how we can improve them. Material science uses ideas from physics, chemistry, and engineering. With this knowledge, engineers create materials that are stronger, lighter, and more useful. Now let's talk about the main types of materials. There are 4 main types. The first type is metals. Examples of metals are iron, steel, and aluminum. Metals are usually strong and durable. They can also carry heat and electricity very well. Because of this, metals are used in buildings, cars, and electrical wires. The second type is ceramics. Examples are glass, bricks, and tiles. Ceramics are very hard and can handle high temperatures. But they can also be brittle, which means they break easily. The third type is polymers. Polymers are commonly called plastics. Examples include plastic bottles, bags, and rubber. Polymers are light, flexible, and do not rust easily. That is why they are used in many everyday products. The fourth type is composites. Composites are made by combining 2 materials. This creates a new material with better properties. For example, carbon fiber is very strong and very light. It is used in airplanes, sports equipment, and racing cars. Now let's talk about material properties. Properties tell us how a material behaves. One important property is strength. Strength tells us how much force a material can handle before it breaks. Another property is hardness. Hardness means how hard it is to scratch or damage a material. Another property is conductivity. This shows how well a material can carry heat or electricity. For example, copper is used in wires because it carries electricity very easily. Another important property is corrosion resistance. Some metals react with air and water and form rust. Engineers prevent this by using paint, coatings, or special metal mixes. At a very small level, all materials are made of atoms. Atoms form patterns called crystal structures. Sometimes these structures have small defects, but these defects can actually make materials stronger. For example, adding carbon to iron creates steel, which is stronger than pure iron. Another important idea is stress and strain. When a force is applied to a material, it creates stress. The change in shape is called strain. Engineers study this to make sure structures are safe and strong. In conclusion, material science helps us understand how materials work and how we can make them better. From buildings to smartphones to airplanes, materials are part of our everyday life. Thank you.